In this video we will learn how to add motion blur to any video in Capcut. Once our entire editing is done with speed ramping, export the whole video. Now create a new project and import the video we just created. Now click on the video and search for motion blur. Click on that. Increase the blur and blend by 100%. Export the video again. Now you will have a motion blur effect to your video like this. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for such editing tutorials.